Using that land plane again to straighten out a customer's driveway. I've already made one pass over here on the left. They have a bunch of little potholes like this throughout. They're no fun to drive on, so we're gonna rip them out. They're not putting any new gravel down right now. This over here has gravel in it. It brings gravel back up and it'll wash and you'll get this limestone appearance with it. But we're gonna get this driveway addressed. See, the land plane's a little bit pitched right now. It's because the teeth are digging in. This is pretty hard pack. The teeth on the land plane are grabbing. That's why you'll see the back end of the planes lifting up sometimes, just because the teeth on the front are grabbing. After we rip everything up, we take the teeth and raise them so they're not digging in anymore, and then we just use the tube plane bars. But sometimes you don't even have to do it. As you can see, it leaves a pretty nice surface. He's ripping out some holes right here. One of the teeth that came out, I can't believe it. It actually ripped that one tooth. Must have caught a big rock that was solid and it just ripped that metal. Wow. John Deere 6100D, 100 horsepower, 4-wheel drive. A 7-foot Frontier land plane.